In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Firstly, you can simply launch one of your apps and access it in the background. To do that with tricky navigation, use this square button. Now hold your app and click on this little icon between two rectangles and the gear one. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. But you can also just click on floating windows at the top left corner. Tap one of those apps to open them as floating windows right away, or click on Edit button at the top right corner and click on any app you wish to add. Then hit Done and tap on it to launch it. Now to move your window, hold this line at the top. To resize it, hold one of its bottom corners, scale it, and when you find the perfect size, let go. To turn it into a bubble, click on Home button, and to open it again, double tap the bubble. Now to use your app in full screen view, hold the lower line and drag it all the way down. To close your app completely, you need to go back into background apps and simply swipe it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!